Have you ever wondered how to create a non-destructive, fully editable double border in Photoshop? In this video I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to achieve that effect. The first is the double stroke, and the other one is the combination of stroke and inner glow. Though it looks tricky, you will see it is very easy. Let's begin with the double stroke. First, open any image that you want to apply the double border effect to. Next, let us also create a vector shape. Add a new stroke layer style to your shape. Let's set the size to 16 pixels. Position should be inside. Blend mode to normal and opacity to 100%. We can set the color to gray for now, or any color that you like. Next, click the plus icon on the right side of your stroke label. This will add an additional stroke layer. You will see that there are 2 stroke layers now. Choose the second stroke. Set the size to 30 pixels and let us change the color to red for now. Remember that the stroke arrangement will depend on the stroke layers. Then click OK. Let us apply the stroke effect that we did on the shape to the image on the left. To do that, right-click on the ellipse layer and choose Copy Layer Style. Next, select your image and right-click on the background layer. And choose Duplicate Layer. Let us name it Border. Apply the copied layer style to your image. To do that, right-click on the border layer and choose Paste Layer Style. You may add more strokes to your image or shape depending on your project requirements. Next is the combination of stroke and inner glow. First, create a new document in any size that you want. I'll just make mine 2000 pixels wide in height. Then, using your rectangle tool, create a rectangle or square. Next, let's add a stroke effect. Let us color our stroke dark gray. And make the size around 40 pixels, or depending on how thick you want it to be. Under Position, choose Inside. Blend mode to normal. And opacity to 100%. That will be for the first border. Next, let us create the second border. To do that, enable Inner Glow. Choose Normal under Blend mode. Set the opacity to 100%. Change the color, maybe green for now, or any color you like, as long as it is not the same as your first border. You can always change both border colors depending on your desired effect. Under Technique, choose Precise. Choke to 100%. Next is the size. Always remember that the inner glow size should always have a bigger number than the stroke size. Like this one, our stroke is 40 pixels, so our inner glow should be 41 pixels and up. That way, the stroke will not cover your inner glow. Let's set the inner glow size here to 42 pixels. Last, set the range to 1. Now drag any image into your document and hit Enter to place it. Next, arrange the layer position where your image should be above your shape. Then right-click on your image. And choose Create Clipping Mask. Now you can see how the double border effect works on your image. You may also use this technique in any shape. Or you can directly apply the effect to an image, the result will be the same. If you have any suggestions, comments, or ideas, please feel free to write them in the description below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.